Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past services on the WAG app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your past services, previous walkers, how do you actually go ahead and see your past services on the WAG app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the WAG app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, towards the middle, you're going to be able to see Past Services. Click on Past Services. So your past services should appear here, and it's going to be organized by name, date, year, and service type. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past services on the WAG app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.